kids. You know what? You're right, bro.
Come on. Yeah. Yeah.
You're right, bro. You're right.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. You know what? And that's why I fuck with you, bro.
And that's why I fuck with you.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Yeah,
now
bro.
we even.
That's what I'm saying. Now we even, bro. Let's just calm down, bro. Let's calm down. You know what I'm saying?
Thumbnail.
Let's just calm down.
This is tease water.
You know what I'm saying? Let's calm down. Let's calm down,
Come
bro.
on. Picture.
Let's calm down, man. Let's calm down.
Yeah.
Let's calm down, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? Let's just chill, gang. Let's just chill, bro. Let's chill, gang. Let's just chill, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because when you just have fun, you feel me? You feel me? That's what I'm saying.
That's what content is. Fun.
That's what I'm saying.
Don't think about it.
Yeah, don't think about it. Just have fun,
you know what I'm saying? Just live. Just live.
You're right, bro.
Just live.
That's right.
Just live.
You're right.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that?
Yeah. Just live. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, bro? And that's why I fuck with you, gang.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Because when you have fun, you know what I'm saying? You do shit like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just have fun and just... Ow!
Yeah. When you have fun, you just go crazy. Like you just retarded. It's like you just retarded. It's like you're just fucking crazy, you know?